but they're not peacefully protesting. They're demolishing the cities. They're burning them to the ground. Since when is an Independence Day supposed to be gathering together and burning American flags? That's a complete and total abstract of what the Independence Day is supposed to be about, right? What's going on? There was always a day where they'd say, well, gathering together to burn flags is permitted, but woe be it unto you if you go to a church and sing your praises to God. I don't want to sound preachy or religious or anything like that, but by damn, it's not equal. There's no equilibrium. There's no consistency. This year, Americans were constrained by a stay-at-home decree by governors and mayors, and these restrictions were justified by mortality predictions from COVID-19 that turned out to be wildly exaggerated. But most of the media has presumed that the dictates were legitimate because they were supposedly based on science and data, regardless of the pervasive wrong-headed forecasts. The Centers for Disease Control estimated last week that 24 million Americans may have been infected with COVID-19, making a mockery of the lockdowns designed to force citizens to pay any price for the slightest potential reduction in infection. I didn't do anything the 4th of July. Really, I didn't do a damn thing. My wife and I agreed that with all of the hoops we had to jump through to go to places, the thought of celebrating Independence Day was moot. There was independence. There was nothing about it to celebrate. It's kind of like when somebody close to you dies at Christmas. You kind of figure Christmas is a sad time. Because it reminds me of that death over and over and over again. Independence Day, I hate to say this, but the fact that they kept us all in lockdown, the fact they kept us all jumping through hoops, wearing masks and all that, had nothing to do with independence, had nothing to do with the spirit of America. You may disagree with me, but I'll tell you, I didn't feel much like celebrating the 4th of July because the 4th of July meant nothing to me because of where we are now. Throughout the weekend, I stayed home and I watched a few TV shows on my extended cable theater. Like I said, I listened to older radio broadcasts. I read a little bit, saw a couple of old movies. I watched Rogue One for my 100th and some odd time. It's now becoming my favorite Star Wars movie. I swear. And here's a weird thing. Ready? I watched V for Vendetta. I don't know why, but it came up in my Netflix queue, and I thought, yeah, I think I'm going to watch this. And Liam, of course, was downstairs, and Liam goes, what is this movie? I go, it's V for Vendetta. Have you ever watched it? He goes, no. And I realized the movie came out when he was born. It came out in 2006, and so he was, that's 14 years ago. He's 14 now. He doesn't even know what that movie's about. So I sat him down and I said, hey, let's you and I watch this movie. This movie came out when you were born. And as he was watching it, he said, wow. I go, what? He goes, it's like, this film looks like it was made just yesterday. It was almost like what's going on in the movie is what's happening now. I noticed it too, and I was watching it. It was unbelievable. I forgot. This film seems so prophetic. I didn't even realize it was prophetic at the time. Heck, it was 2006. 2016. I'm sorry, 2006. And then, it's supposed to be set in the year 2020. Really. I found that out. I was looking it up, and it says their setting for the film was 2020. And I began to notice so many uncanny coincidences in the time that I saw it. Like, maybe here's the thing. I found out, too, that apparently on Netflix, the minute COVID-19 came out, Contagion went up in ratings. Everybody was renting Contagion or watching Contagion on Netflix. Yeah, there's some odd to push the idea of V for Vendetta on people. So, I guess I watched V for Vendetta because the algorithms directed me to it. And I don't know how that happened, but it did, and I'm I'm glad it did, because I had a lot to say about it. It's amazing. I mean, V for Vendetta came out, you know, a while ago, came out in 2006, and supposedly was set in the year 2020. It was Liam, my son, before he got out to me. He goes, wow, it looks like it was done just yesterday. So I thought, yeah,